Hello everyone, we are happy to welcome you to the Meamo channel. Here we talk about how you can preserve your youth and beauty with the help of modern injectable cosmetology. Subscribers often ask, what is the difference between Korean and American Botox, and is there one at all? In this video, we will give a complete and clear answer. So today's topic is American and Korean Botoxes. Which one is best? First of all, let's emphasize that the Botox is a registered trademark of the first botulinum toxin product on the cosmetic market. However, without a trademark, this abbreviation can be used to describe all such products. The name Botox or Dysport are everyone's lips, and everyone knows that they're quality and safe products, but Korean Botoxes are less known on the American market, and because of this you can often find the opinion that they are somehow inferior or less effective. But the first question I want to ask you is, how American are American Botoxes? It's a strange question, isn't it? Today, only 4 botulinum toxin products are officially available on the US market. But when we dig deeper, we find the following things. Botox is a product of Allergan, which is an Irish company with headquarters in Dublin, Ireland. And it was only in 2020 that Allergan was acquired by ABB-VIE Corporation based in Chicago, Illinois. Dysport is manufactured by Ipsen Biopharmaceuticals, which is a French company based in Paris, and Xeomin is a brand name for botulinum toxin manufactured by Merz Pharma, a German company based in Frankfurt and Main, Germany. Jeuveau is a product that comes directly from South Korea and is produced by Daewoo Pharmaceuticals, and their botulinum toxins are under the brand name Nabota, are very popular on the Korean market, so Jeuveau is just a trade name of Nabota for the American market. In fact, all FDA-approved Botox comes from outside of the borders of the United States. Now let's compare them to Korean products in the major categories. The first point to consider is the effectiveness of the product. With exception, all manufacturers of different Botox products around the world use the same active ingredient, botulinum toxin. And according to the scientific studies, the effectiveness of American and Korean Botoxes has no significant differences. Practicing physicians say that the same thing, the effectiveness of these products is the same. The second point is perhaps the most important: safety. South Korea has its own analog of the American FDA, the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, referred as MFDS, and this is a government agency that inspects and monitors the safety of all food, cosmetic, and pharmaceuticals on the Korean market. The next point is the quality of the products, where you can buy Botoxes from all 3 of the largest and most well-known Korean manufacturers: Medytox, Hugel, and Daewoo Pharmaceuticals. The quality of their products has been repeatedly tested in a number of large-scale clinical trials, and in these trials, the quality of Korean Botoxes was compared to the brands on the US market. And Korean toxins produce results at least as good as FDA-approved products. And another important parameter is how long the results are retained. American manufacturers often claim that the effect of their products lasts longer than that of Korean analogs. However, meamo experts have carefully studied the available scientific publications and have not found any confirmation of this fact. Korean botulinum toxins have the same duration of the exposure as FDA-approved Botoxes. It ranges from 4 to 6 months depending on the individual characteristics of the patient, and we will talk about how to maximize the effect of Botox in future video. And finally, last but not least, the cost of the product. And the price difference between American and Korean Botoxes is the first thing that catches your eye. And FDA-approved products sometimes cost almost twice as much. However, this has nothing to do with the quality or safety of the products. It's all about the different financial component of the botulinum toxin business. In the US and EU, the cost of manufacturing and licensing the product is much higher, as well as the employee salaries. And South Korea's economic policy is deliberately structured to stimulate new high-tech industries, including injectable cosmetology. So what conclusion do we draw by comparing these products on the 5 most important parameters? As you can see, American and European and Korean Botoxes are virtually identical in effectiveness, safety, and other points. The only significant difference is the price. And products from South Korea are much cheaper, which is due to the more favorable conditions for local manufacturers of the cosmetic products. I hope our little research was useful for you, and if you're interested in how to preserve your youth and beauty with the help of injectable cosmetology, then subscribe to our channel and we will be glad if you share your opinion or experience of using Botox in the comments. And don't forget to turn on the bell, there are a lot of interesting things ahead.